Hello guys, welcome to another episode of our Shoe Conversations here on this channel. I'm excited to come here with another type of series. The previous series we did, the shoe series, where we looked at various types of dress shoes that every gentleman should own. And then we looked at the Oxford, we looked at the Derby, we looked at the loafers, we looked at the single strap and all of that. The links are in the bio and somewhere, so you can just check them out. But today we're going to start a different kind of series. We're going to be looking at shoe unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing some of the shoe brands that I think are very remarkable, with a good price point. And some may be a bit high, but others too I thought is great. And I would highly recommend some of these shoes for my viewers if you're watching me. And so I'm super glad to introduce my first unboxing shoe video, official unboxing shoe video to all of you. Well, today I'm looking at the YEARN SHOEMAKER. Excited about this. And this has a special place in my heart because it came as a birthday present from my dear wife, and I really do cherish and appreciate it, and so it has a special place in my heart. Beyond that, this shoe has been one of the shoes I've been looking forward to get for a very, very long time, and I'm so glad that we finally had the opportunity to get it. Well, just a little background about the YEARN SHOEMAKER. I think it's about 3 people who are currently the face of YEARN SHOEMAKER, but it's not with one person who lived in the UK or London for a while, especially in the Northampton, where the traditional dress shoe making was very prevalent at that time. This person witnessed the English craftsmen and how robust and long lasting their crafting is. Took the same passion, learned as much as he could, went to China, and then perfected the craft. It's a hand constructed shoe. I mean, everything they do is purely by hand, unlike other shoe brands that will do a lot of machine work. They just love to use their bare hands to construct from the upper, the insole to the outsole, hand to finish. Just a handcrafted, handmade shoes. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this unboxing. I got this from ARTERTON London, through ARTERTON London to YEARN, because ARTERTON London is the retailer for YEARN in the UK. So I got it through ARTERTON, and then ARTERTON helped me get it through YEARN. And then, because in Ghana, we don't have PayPals and stuff like that working here, so it's difficult to sometimes buy things when it's very far off. But yeah, ARTERTON helped me. So shout out to ARTERTON, to the guys there, brilliant guys, very patient. They communicate on point, they reply on point. I mean, all the frustrations I put you guys through, you made it. And thank you so much for this. Shout out to all of you out there. Well, so let's stop in around. Let's just go straight. First thing you recognize is their green box. Comes nicely as with the YEARN inscription on it. And then you also have the inscription on the side of it. You have the style, which is the 0XF, I think 768, and then so Oxford, the 0FX is Oxford 768, and then the last is the Y07, and my size is UK 10, which is 44, but UK 10 is my size 10F. This very one is the Laserman Oxford. So when you take off the lid, the first thing you see is this beautiful kind of herringbone brown with the leather inscription YEARN SHOEMAKER. Just wonderful presentation, as you can see. For me, it came with a card. The card that came was reading, hello Mr. Thompson, thanks for your patience in receiving your order. We hope you had a wonderful birthday, and as promised, please find your birthday gift inside along with your order. Well, enjoy, and do let us know how great it fit on. So thank you so much from ARTERTON. They sent me this wonderful card. I really appreciate it. Speaks volumes and a lot. All right, So it comes with 2 shoe bags. As you can see, some shoe brands come with one, but this comes with 2 shoe bags. And I've taken off their gifts, really. It's somewhere, it's not here. So 2 shoe bags, comes with 2 shoe bags. And then you have it. The 2 shoe bags still comes in the tweed form, like just beautiful and amazing. I'm just excited to see what's in here. I know what's in here, but you don't know. I'll show you soon. But I know what's in here. And this a pair I've been making from getting it for a long time. It's the Lazy Man. So this is how the shoe bag comes in, like very beautiful. It comes in double pen. That's important because when you're traveling, it helps to keep them safe. You don't, the shoe doesn't travel against each other. All right. So this is the beautiful Lazy Man Oxford from YEARN Shoemaker. What a shoe! Stunning, beautiful on every side. It's just a shoe I've been meaning to get for a very long time, and I'm just unbelievable at the point. I just go straight to the point. So this is a Lazy Man Oxford full wing tip with the medallion on the toe, as you can see. With the medallion on the toe, as you can see here, with these are fake laces, but it's leather, and because it has a side elastic that helps you to shrink your shoes. You wear them as you want to wear them. It comes with a calfskin, very well done. And guys, this shoe was hand lasted, hand clicked. The cork filling was done by hand. The sole stitching was done by hand. Everything you see here is done by hand. The construction is a hand welted construction, not a Goodyear welted construction. It's a difference. There's a hand welted construction. It's still resolable, really, but it means that there is a lot of hand work that has gone into this. The stitching on this one, I think, is about 8 stitches per inch, and some have 12 stitches. But I mean, for 8 stitches per inch means that there's a lot of handle that's going to this. The upper, like I said, it comes in a certain patina, like more or less like a marble, but that's our own version of the marble patina that they have. Just beautiful last shape. I think I went in for the Y07, which is like the aggressive chisel last shape for this. It's just remarkably beautiful, as you can have it. And then as well, I also ordered it with its lasted shoe tree. This is the lasted shoe tree for it. It came with this beautiful lasted shoe tree, and it's a recommendation for every man out there. Please, if you're getting a shoe, try to get the appropriate shoe trees for it, because it's going to help, lengthen the life of the shoe. Give it more life and give it more, verse. So the outsole, as you can see, it has like a 4 nails that has been punched there just on the outsole, beautifully done. It's actually 7 of them, well spread across, because sometimes when you wear the shoe, the place that it goes off, it wears off easily is that place, and it has that covered nicely. And then you have the sole as well, with a bevel waist and a hump, which I think is very pronounced on the sole as well. It has a bit of like a slanted, heel, which I like and I love so much. Of course, the face back facing and the heel is not as tight as I've seen other brands, but believe you me, I think it's great and it's remarkable regardless. The wheel faging on the sides, it's just incredibly done. You can tell a lot of handwork on these shoes. It's just beautiful on every side, and I love this piece so much, so well. And thanks to YEARN, thanks to ARTERTON, they sent me the various faces for this shoe when it was being made, because when I ordered it, it wasn't available. They had to craft it for a period of about 6 weeks for me to have it, and then so they sent me pictures on the clicking and the hand stitching, the cork filling, and also the channeling of the shoe, and I really do appreciate them for the great work and the patience to get this to me. So how do you buy YEARN Shoemaker? Go to their website, YEARNShoemaker.com. You can see what they have there, or you can go to their Instagram page as well. Look at the various styles you have. They just DM them. They're going to respond to you. Or you can go to ARTERTON. You can go to ARTERTON London. They sell all kinds of things, from hangers to suit coats to shoe care products to what have you, and all of that. They have all of that there available for you, so you can get that there as well. And they have, I mean, a lot of available shoes from YEARN that are selling on their site, so you can go there and then you can purchase something for yourself. And trust me, they are very wonderful people, and they will do you good, and you will regret investing into the YEARN Shoemaker. I feel it's one of the best shoes you can get for yourself, especially when you jump into a certain like class of shoes. This is it for me, YEARN Shoemaker. So I love this pair. I don't know if I'm going to wear it yet, but I love it so much. I'm going to keep it for a while, and hopefully wear it one day. I'll tag you when I do. But this YEARN. Okay, so it comes in various last offers. They come in YO2, which is the almond shape, like a round toe shape. It comes with the YO7, the aggressive chisel like I have here. It comes also in, I think, the YO5, the soft square last, and the YO8, the round last for loafers, which you have alone and all of that. An incredible shoe, something you should check out for yourself, and I think you'll never regret. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this unboxing. YEARN Shoemaker for you, great value for your money. If you want to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscription button, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of what I upload going forward. We want to grow, we want to reach as many people as we can. Your support is only to subscribe, comment, and share. If you don't subscribe, you are a suspect. So please subscribe, share as much as you can, and comment on the comment section about your thoughts and what you want me to do next on this YouTube channel. Help us grow and do that for me. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.